6, 8, 10. I think this is Japanese card. Make sure guys. So, let's see. Water energy. So, set aside muna natin sa energy. Oh, I think. Tama ako guys. Japanese card siya. So, isang Japanese card. Oh, ang ganda yung ano niyo guys. So, Dark Streaks. Dark Streaks. Deflin. Cypher. Sunkern. Riolu. Solrock. And Rellor. So, this is the common cards. So, meron tayong dalawang Japanese cards and 2, 4, 6, 8 na English cards. So, next is our 3 na rare. Let's see. Ooh, Thundurus. So, Thundurus. Oh, Geta. Isang trainer and ang reverse, ang holo rare natin is Shellos. And so, patay ng isang card para takpan siya. So, tignan natin kung anong hit ang nakuha natin. So, oh, full art. Full art siya guys. Yes, full art. So, it is Palafin. Wow. A full art for Palafin. Ganda guys. So, ang nakuha natin